In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your status active on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or you're at the office, Microsoft Teams can be an incredibly powerful tool for communication and collaboration with your team. However, remaining available and maintaining an active status can sometimes be a challenge, especially when you want to avoid those pesky times when the program marks you as away even when you're at your desk working. The key is to ensure that your status reflects your availability accurately. Start by launching Microsoft Teams on your computer. It doesn't matter if you are using the desktop application or the web version in your browser. Once you're in, look towards the top right-hand corner of the app. You'll find your profile icon there. Click on it to drop down the profile menu. Here, you'll see your current status indicated within a small colored circle. Some common ones are available, busy, do not disturb, and of course, away. To manually adjust your status, click on it once. This action lets you choose from a list of predefined status options. Setting your status to available is the main goal here, ensuring you appear online and approachable to your colleagues. Teams will respect your manual choice for a certain period, and this can be significantly useful if you've got a day packed with various tasks but want to remain reachable. Next, consider using the set duration feature that allows you to specify for how long you want this status to remain active. This can be done by selecting Duration after you click on the status menu. For instance, you can make sure your status stays as available for an entire day or just until the end of a meeting, depending on your preference. It's an excellent way to manage your workday without worrying about the system altering your status unexpectedly. For those who might forget or simply find it too tedious to adjust status constantly, there's a pro tip: leveraging system shortcuts that keep your PC active can be incredibly handy. Programs like PowerToys or simple shortcuts can prevent your computer from entering sleep mode, thus keeping your team's status as available. These tools simulate activity and will ensure that your status remains active without manual intervention. However, remember to use such tools responsibly and inform your team if you opt for this method. By following these steps, you should manage staying active on Microsoft Teams with ease, staying connected with colleagues without unintended interruptions. Remember, communication is key, so keep your tools working for you and not against you, and feel free to reach out with any questions or experiences you'd like to share related to using Teams. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us for more helpful tips.